Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Kendall Jenner dropped rare glimpse of her recent trip to psychedelic art museum in Tokyo, celebrating BFF Hailey Bieber's birthday. The Kardashians star took to her Instagram handle over the weekend and treated fans with a set of stunning pictures. Kendall's pictures were taken during a visit to an immersive multimedia art exhibit called Team Lab Planets Tokyo. The 818 tequila brand owner also took to her Instagram stories where she posted a throwback snap of herself standing in the midst of the exhibit. Kendall shared the pictures with the hurt-eyed emoticon in the caption. She was seen dressed in all-black outfit. The gorgeous snaps were taken by Kendall's best pal Hailey, who celebrated her 26th birthday on November 22 alongside her close and dearest people on a trip to Japan. While Kendall's pictures came out rather blurry in the comments, Hailey jokingly wrote, "I'm a photographer." Meanwhile, Hailey's trip to Japan included her pop star husband Justin Bieber, who she celebrated her fourth wedding anniversary with in September. Thanks for listening and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.